have many people with us who've joined us for this Gupshup session with Jeevan Sathi. My name is Isha Arora, and I'll be your host in today's Gupshup session. The idea of this Gupshup session is to tell you about a number of things, talk to a variety of people, talk on a variety of topics, and this is the first of many more such live sessions to come. What we have with you for today is a Gupshup session with जीवन साथी सक्सेस स्टोरीज। जीवन साथी पे कुछ लाखों करोड़ों लोगों ने अपना लाइफ पार्टनर चुना है। हमने उनमें से कुछ सिलेक्ट फ्यू को इनवाइट किया है आज अपनी जर्नी शेयर करने के लिए। उनकी जर्नी में जैसे कहते हैं ना, there are a lot of experiences that you have till the time you get married. The entire courtship period, the entire experience of meeting new people, finding the right one, choosing the right one, deciding on how do you decide that this person is the right person for me, and all of those experiences. And then there is the wedding preparation, and then there is the wedding day. But at the same time, there are a whole lot of experiences that come your way after that wedding day. जो शादी का phase होता है, marriage का phase होता है, that is a whole lot of experience altogether. So we'll hear about these experiences, not just about before the wedding or on the wedding day, but also what they've lived through in the last few years after they got married. So I have with me three beautiful couples of, from Jeevan Sathi. I have with me Surbhi and Nakul. I have with me Joneet and Karan, and Niharika and Ajay. Welcome, a very, very warm welcome to all of you couples. I am going to do one thing. I will not introduce much about these couples except telling their names, but I would rather invite these couples to tell about themselves. And while they're telling about themselves, I do want to hear, for instance, from Ajay what he thinks about himself, but I want to hear from Ajay an introduction about Niharika. So, and then Niharika to introduce Ajay. So we'll begin with you guys. Ajay, would you like to introduce Niharika for all of us, please? Unmute yourself before you start talking, please. Jeevan Sathi host? Yes, yeah. We can now hear Ajay and Niharika.
Hi. Great. She's Niharika. She's basically from Mumbai. She's a proper Mumbai girl. She likes to cook. She likes to eat. She loves a lot of sweets. She's a very active person, and she's an entrepreneur. She started her own company called My Taps. And she keeps me very busy. She's always behind me, asking me to do a lot of workout and, stick to my schedule and all of that.
So she's the disciplined one, is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Niharika, why don't you introduce Ajay for all of us?
Okay, so this is my husband, Ajay. He's from Hyderabad. Like he said, I'm proper Mumbaikar. He's proper Hyderabadi. And he also loves food. That's an interest that we both share. And he also absolutely loves gaming, which I don't like a lot of the times. And and he's also a very good cook. Very rarely does he cook though, but he is a very good cook when he does.
Is he cooking during this lockdown period, Niharika?
Yeah, I mean, he brings out like once in maybe a week or so, he brings out these skills all of a sudden, and then it again goes on low for a while. But and he also has a very good sense of humor. So he's very funny and entertaining to be around. So yeah, that's about it.
That's interesting. Nice. So that's the first couple for all of us guys, Niharika and Ajay. Good to meet you guys. We'll now hear a little more from Karan and Joneet. Joneet, why don't you go first and introduce Karan for us? give us a moment while, yeah,
Yeah.
we can hear you now.
Okay. So this is my Jeevan Sathi, Karan Mehta, and he's a marketing professional, and he's a very outgoing person. Loves to party. He lives for his family and friends. So he's like the entertainment quotient of our house, like always jumping around, always excited.
Oh,
So yeah, and he loves sports. So that's something we share. He loves cricket, tennis, baddie. So yeah, we connect on that a lot. And yeah, I think, and yeah, he's a big time foodie as well.
so we have foodie couples around with us. We have a gaming lover, we have a sports lover, we have a lot of this love for gaming and sports going on so far. Yes.
Yes, and his love for Italian food and butter chicken being coming from Delhi, it's immense.
Nice, nice, interesting. Karan, why don't you tell us about Joe?
Yeah. So,
Jonit, can we call you Joe?
Yes, obviously, please.
Thank you.
so her name is Jonit. She originally hails from Ambala. We met through Jeevan Sathi, and she is into analytics. A little bit about her. She's an introvert person, but she's a totally extrovert when it comes to me. She might come across someone who is not opening very soon with people. मतलब थोड़ा टाइम लगता है उसको खुलने में, but मेरे साथ अलग है पर्सनालिटी, और आई थिंक इसको टीवी शोज देखना, फ्रेंड्स वगैरह देखना, ये सब बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हम दोनों को बैडी खेलना बहुत पसंद है. इनफैक्ट सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि क्रिकेट का तो पता नहीं, बट टेनिस और बैडी तो पक्का दोनों का सेम है. तो वी वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ मैचेस टुगेदर. सो इनफैक्ट इवन आई वांट टू वॉच, अगर मूवी देखनी होगी, बट इसको टेनिस देखना होगा. सो दैट इज शी इज वेरी मच अ स्पोर्ट्स बफ लाइक मी. And yeah, that's about it.
Nice, interesting. Thank you so much, guys. That was a sweet couple here. We have another lovely couple with us, Surbhi and Nakul. I'm waiting to hear from them and hear their story and their introduction about each other.
Yeah.
Surbhi, I want you to go first, please.
Sure. So this is my husband Nakul. He is also a big time foodie. He loves to eat. He loves to drink tea. He can drink tea like whole day long. He loves to travel. He is a workaholic, so he can work and drink tea all day long.
Wow.
And he is a lot into politics. He's very passionate for his career. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Interesting, nice. We have foodie lovers and we have someone who drinks a lot of tea as well. Do you make your own tea, Nakul, or do you like tea made by Surbhi or anyone else?
Definitely not by me.
it took some time to get her used to my style of tea.
I see. Yes, why don't we hear from you about Surbhi now?
Sure. She's Surbhi. She hails from Faridabad. She's a retail merchandiser. That is why she has a great fashion sense. She's a pet lover, dogs, cats, whatever be the case. And she drags me along to all the pet cafes and all the pet hangouts in the city. She loves to travel a lot. She won't admit it, but she's more of a foodie than me. She loves junk food.
I'm not.
Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah, that's nice. So we have these three beautiful couples with us, ladies and gentlemen. Now that we've heard a little bit about them, what I'm going to do is I would want to know a little about their journey of marriage. How long have you guys been married? And if you were to describe your journey in a statement or in a couple of words, how would you describe that journey? We'll begin with Surbhi and Nakul on this.
Okay.
You want to go?
Yeah, sure. So we've been married for almost 2 years now. We just celebrated our 2-year anniversary in lockdown last month. So if I were to describe it in a sentence, I think it's been a roller coaster. It's been a great journey. It has had its ups and downs, but it's been amazing. And yeah, that's it.
Interesting. What about Niharika and Ajay? How long have you guys been married?
So will complete 2 years next month.
Oh, beautiful. So one couple who has just completed 2 years and another couple who is going to complete 2 years in another month. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on.
And I think, at least for me, the overall journey has started off very unexpected, if I can say, but it's just been amazing, like completely throughout. It's been completely amazing.
Yeah, it was a very pleasant and think काफी आसान journey था. बहुत मजा आया था. I mean, to be honest, and touch wood, we hope it'll continue.
Yeah, all the blessings to you guys. Yes, now Karan and Joni, how long have you guys been married?
ओके तो हमने एक्चुअली ईशा 1 साल मार्च में कंप्लीट किया. इनफैक्ट जस्ट बिफोर द लॉकडाउन हम एनिवर्सरी अपनी हिमाचल में सेलिब्रेट करके आए थे अपनी फैमिलीज के साथ.
लकी यू गाइस, सेलिब्रेट हो गई पहले. बाकी के दोनों कपल्स तो लग रहा है लॉकडाउन पीरियड के आसपास ही सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं. एक अभी किया है और एक करने वाले हैं.
और हमें मतलब पूरा पहली बार हम जब हमारा बात हुई थी, आई थिंक 1.5 साल से ऊपर हो चुका है. हाँ, 1.5 साल से ऊपर हो चुका है. एंड ऑब्वियसली जैसे बाकी दोनों ने भी बोला, इस जर्नी है पूरी, कुछ खट्टी है कुछ मीठी है. सो इट्स बट अच्छा है, सो फार सो गुड. या
नाइस. तो इस खट्टी मीठी जर्नी के बारे में थोड़ा और जानते हैं, बट आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू करण एंड जोनीत नाउ, जो आपका जर्नी रहा जीवन साथी पर, वो कितना लंबा रहा, उसमें किस तरह के फेजेस थे, कुछ अप्स एंड डाउन्स वहां थे, हाउ वाज द एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस देयर फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू?
Yeah, so I think हम June 2018 में we started talking. So yeah, मतलब through जीवन साथी we were accessing the platform along with our parents. So our parents reached out to each other, and post that we got to know, we got each other's number and started talking. And so yeah, फिर when we started talking, we एक दूसरे को जानने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि क्या पसंद है क्या ना पसंद है, what are each other's life goals, are we aligned on that. बस वही like all the all the things you want to know before choosing your life partner. And because I was based out of Bangalore then and Karan was in Delhi, so we had to do a lot of logistics management to make our families meet. So we met with our families first in Ambala itself, and then सबको सब अच्छा लगा. So then Karan came to Bangalore to meet me. Then we spent some time together, हमने पार्टी करी, एक्चुअली हमने बैडमिंटन भी खेला.
ओह नाइस. कोचिंग पीरियड में बैडमिंटन पे चल रहा था कनेक्शन.
हाँ,
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है शायद वही इंप्रेस हुई होगी, बाकी ये बताइए.
Who won those badminton games?
So
थोड़ी मैंने थोड़ी इसने.
हाँ. So we played one full game. So he won 2 rounds, I won 1 round.
बट हमें लगे लाइक जून से लेकर अक्टूबर तक तो टाइम लगा, मतलब एक दूसरे को जानने में. एंड फिर उसके बाद रोका हुआ, एंड उसके बाद शादी मार्च में हुई.
So it was quite a long journey.
So almost 1 year of courtship is what you had. If I was
1 year, मतलब
we got roka-fied in August.
अगस्त में रोका हुआ था, बट अक्टूबर में दिल्ली आई थी.
Yeah, because we were in different cities.
तो
वैसा टाइम
थोड़ा सा और लगा. लाइक अक्टूबर से मार्च में मैं कोर्टशिप में एक दूसरे के साथ स्पेंड करने का मौका मिला, जिसमें और एक्चुअली जानने का मौका मिला. तो उस हिसाब से वो था सही समय, लाइक then we got to know each other.
Yeah, when I came here and we actually like met. got to know each other more personally. हमने actually शादी की काफी shopping एक साथ करी. We started spending time then. We got to know each other better then. So yeah, that's how it has been.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. That's nice. Can I also hear from Surbhi and Nakul about a little about how their experience has been?
Sure.
जीवन साथी पे आप लोगों का कैसा रहा experience?
ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस जीवन साथी पे काफी अच्छा रहा. हमारा कोचिंग पीरियड कुछ 4 महीने का था, 4 months का. So from the day we met to the day we got rocafied, it took us a month and a half. After that,
Okay.
We had 4 months. So the phase with Jeevan Sathi was overall quite nice. The kind of profiles that I was getting through Jeevan Sathi were quite decent and were in sync with what I was looking for. So overall, in terms of the profile जो मुझे मिल रही थी जीवन साथी से, those were quite apt in accordance with what I was looking for.
Nice. Surbhi, what about you? How was your experience on the site?
It was good. I think I was not there for a long time. मेरे को बहुत ही जल्दी अपना जीवन साथी मिल गया. So my dad actually started it, so he was very excited about it, and he was going through all these profiles and screening out and just sending me screenshots कि इससे बात करूँ. So I think ज़्यादा लोगों से मैं नहीं मिली, but I think it's very nice because you have all these filters, so you can literally filter out the kind of person that you're looking for. So between you and your family, you can decide and filter out, which is I think a good attribute to have in the
Nice.
app.
Nice, brilliant. Let's hear from Niharika and Ajay. Some quick words on how their experience has been.
It was really good. I think our parents were involved in this. So both my parents and her parents were using the platform very actively, very aggressively.
Okay.
While we also had Jeevan Sathi app, it also helped us a lot. कभी-कभी मैं log in करता था and दिन के बीच में जब भी time मिलता था, I used to look at profiles. So the filters were really helpful. And to be honest, you get to see a lot of connections, you get to see a lot of profiles, but the time usually is not too long. I mean, we were, I think we met within 4 months or 5 months of starting our journey on the app or on the platform.
Yeah, I think for us, mainly parents were, managing, at least for me, my dad was managing some profiles. He used to send across, ye photo dekho, this profile dekho, and all of that. So that journey went on, I think, for about a year. It took some time. What specifications थे कि ऐसा चाहिए, ऐसे दिखना है, this city, all those filters and all. And I think he also went in for the exclusive services. Because it takes a lot of time to really filter. You have to invest a lot of time into something like this. So after that actually got a lot of help when some profiles are already filtered and they come to you, and then उसमें से you can select.
I think उनका exclusive services काफी अच्छा था क्योंकि उनको मुझे से बंदा मिला था.
हीरा सा लड़का मिला है लग रहा है. So says Ajay. Does Niharika agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Interesting. So I want to hear a little more because I hear from Niharika quite a lot. But is the website easy enough for parents to be able to use it? Or do you feel that they should always look for help from the kid? यार बेटा या बेटी को साथ में बिठा के तभी यूज कर पाएंगे, or were they able to use it on their own?
I think हमारे experience में तो they were perfectly fine using it on their own.
In fact, they were more accustomed to using the platform
than us, actually.
क्योंकि
सारे background searches, everything was like, I think the way that they expect the whole display to be like, in terms of about the family and things like that. So वो सब like upfront दिख रहे थे, so that way they were pretty comfortable.
Oh, nice. Interesting. That's good to hear. Subi, I want to hear from you when your parents were using the website. Was there a clash in the criteria of, let's say, what you would have wanted? Maybe आपका criteria कुछ और and parents का कुछ और. क्या कुछ ऐसा रहा या were you all aligned exactly on all the criteria that you were looking for? And of course, you got Nakul matching your criteria here. May I say so?
I think me and my parents were quite aligned. हम लोगों की choices same थी and my family is quite progressive. So ऐसा कोई issue नहीं था. In fact, I think it was quite nice because so I was actually like a half Manglik. So हम लोगों ने अपनी profile पे and we don't believe in caste, kundli and everything. So हम लोगों ने अपने me and my dad like both of us make sure कि हमने अपने profile पे लिख दिया कि if the other party is interested in believes in the kundli and everything तो आप मिला के then हमें call कीजिए. So I think अच्छा था, ऐसा कोई clash तो नहीं था between me and my parents.
Nice. Karan, what about you? Was there any clash or was there any difference that you saw when you were looking at your perfect partner, your criteria versus your parents' criteria?
So, मेरे parents actually मेरा profile manage कर रहे थे and उनका बस ये था कि because मैं आंशिक मांगलिक हूँ, तो बस ये थोड़ा मुझे देखते.
We have another आंशिक मांगलिक.
Yeah. तो उसमें उनका बस ये था कि बस थोड़े बहुत बेसिक गुण मैच करने चाहिए थे. तो लाइक इवन जीवन साथी ऐप पे वो गुण दिख जाते हैं, बेसिक एक मैच दिख जाता है. हाँ, तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि उनको चलो ये लगता है अच्छा प्रोफाइल ठीक लग रहा है, ओवरऑल ठीक लग रहा है, ऐसा हार्श नहीं था, बट उनको बस ये होता था कि चलो सेफ होना चाहिए थोड़ा.
तो उनका मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया कितने गुण मैच होने का था?
हाँ, मतलब आई थिंक 21 गुण होता है, 21 मुझे ऐसे याद नहीं है ऑनेस्टली, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं करता था, बट 21 गुण मैच हो गए तो ठीक है, चलो ऐसे ठीक है. तो फिर उसके बाद वो क्या करते थे, वो मेरे साथ प्रोफाइल शेयर करते थे. बाकी ऐसा कोई वो नहीं था, बस ये था कि चलो फैमिली ठीक होनी चाहिए. और मतलब जैसे जिस तरह से मेरे को जिस तरह का पर्सनालिटी चाहिए थी वो उन्होंने मेरे पे छोड़ा हुआ था. बस वो यही फैक्टर देखते थे और उस हिसाब से मेरे साथ प्रोफाइल्स शेयर करते थे व्हाट्सएप पे. ऐप से ना आप डायरेक्टली कर लेते हो, तो उसके बाद मैं चेक करके उन्हें बताता था हाँ ठीक है आगे बात करते हैं. और
तो जो बातचीत अगर आपको करनी है, क्या वो आपको अपने ही फोन नंबर देखने के बाद खुद से करनी होती है या आप साइट पे, जीवन साथी साइट पे भी आप खुद बातचीत कर सकते हैं?
तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये था कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मुझे कोई प्रोफाइल पसंद आया तो मैं उनको इंटरेस्ट भेजता था और मैं मैसेज करता था. बट अगर इंटरेस्ट एक्सेप्ट हो जाता था तो मैसेजेस हम एक्सचेंज करते थे, और बट नंबर शेयर नहीं कर सकते थे बिकॉज आई थिंक के लिए कुछ शायद पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन या कुछ लेना होता है. बट बात हो जाती है आपका बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन हो जाता है.
बट फर्स्ट मैसेज सेंड, I think that can happen on the
और बेसिक बात हो जाती है. बेसिक
like I also personally used like Karan said, so it's quite easy that way.
Yeah.
And I think platform it makes it very easy. Why it makes it easy is you are able to enter your criteria extensively. Like it's not limited. Like whatever that is on the platform, it kind of completes the whole thing.
But Joni, tell me, एक तो क्राइटेरिया में आ जाता है मैंने सपोज हाइट डाल दिया, कास्ट डाल दिया, गुण जैसे कि आप मेंशन कर रहे हैं इस तरह का क्राइटेरिया डाल दिया. बट व्हाट इफ आई वांट टू स्पेसिफाई समथिंग अराउंड इंटरेस्ट? कैन आई आल्सो मेंशन दैट इफ आई वांट टू look at people or mention in my profile that, let's say, like in your case, you're fond of sports? Could you mention that and look for people who were interested in sports?
Yes, of course. मतलब जो description होता है, you can add a description with your profile, and when I was looking at profiles, I actually did go through the descriptions. I did go through them. It was one of my criteria that I should be able to okay, that this description fits my criteria. Okay, I would want to talk to such a person. So for Karan also, I know his whatever was written, it was quite descriptive, and I also made sure in my profile I was able to mention in the description as to what kind of a partner am I looking for.
Okay.
Like, in terms of what kind of ideas should he have, or what is it that I am interested in, what are my interests, so that it's easier for the other person to also understand me through that description. Plus for me also, when I was reading these descriptions, it was easier for me as well.
अच्छे से लिखने का फायदा भी होता है.
Yeah. Niharika, I want to understand a little from you, since we're talking about, how people have described what they were looking for, and then they've met and gone through, that entire choice of looking at different, let's say, kind of profiles, and then arriving at your perfect partner, this entire journey. How was it for you, and how did you know that the person that you were meeting was the right one or not the right one? What helped you decide on Ajay?
So I think, like I said before, the first, I think we used to call it, like, if you can say levels to it. The first level, I think our parents spoke to each other. So pehle that, like, they kind of confirmed ki acha ye log theek hai, achhe hain, and they're from here, and baatcheet mein bhi similar background se hain. Parents also have a similar work background, lifestyle background. Wo sab, like, those things got established pehle from them. And I think uske baad they were like, okay, we'll share, I'll share Ajay's number, and they shared my number to him. Or then we started with, like, speaking on WhatsApp and speaking on calls and Skype. So we started having those conversations to sort of break the ice and just get to know each other. Because I think from parents' part, there are few criteria in terms of like, family, education, those kind of backgrounds. And there are a few criteria personally that I wanted in terms of interest matching, your our wavelengths matching, and our outlook about life, and wo sab bhi to match hona chahiye. So I think first few conversations went on in that, and I think once I think 2-3 conversations in, when we couldn't stop our conversations, then that's when we realized that, okay, I think this is really going somewhere, or milna chahiye, and we should see where this goes.
Nice. Interesting. How long did you mention your courtship period was, Niharika Ajay?
So it was pretty soon. जो हमने सोचा नहीं था कि इतना जल्दी हो जाएगा. मन में तो it was like, हाँ 6 महीना टाइम लेंगे, we'll get to know each other, सब आराम से हो जाएगा. But I think we met in Jan, and then we were engaged by March.
पहले पेरेंट्स भी वही बोल रहे थे कि take your time बोल रहे थे, but I didn't know that take your time meant that take 1 day time or 2 days.
ऐसा क्या?
So they were like in the morning, they were like take your time, and they were also like शाम को बता देना कि क्या है, मतलब रिश्ते से आगे बढ़ सकते हैं कि नहीं. So all of that was very fast.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, so I'm going to start playing some games with you guys now that we know a little about you, and I feel like I know you guys already. Let me begin with Nakul and Surbhi.
Okay.
I'm going to play a game with you guys where you need to close your eyes and point out to the person who fits the question that I'm going to put in front of you.
Okay.
अगर मैं बोलती हूँ आंख बंद करके आपको बताना है किसका नाम नकुल है, तो you know who you're pointing out to. Would you test that?
Okay.
Close your eyes. Who do you think amongst you is Surbhi? Yeah, you have to raise your hand.
Okay, cool.
Actually, yeah, point is better. That way we can see. Yeah,
Okay.
so you need to point towards yourself or the other person. Yeah.
Sure.
Who amongst the two of you is more romantic? Who's the better cook? Aha! Who's more talkative? So far, you guys are pretty aligned. Not bad. Who gets up in a grumpy mood in the morning? ये गुस्से में, थोड़ा सा grumpy में, oh, still aligned. Oh my God, when will I see a difference? Who amongst you gives better gifts? Ah, nice. I see a nice contrast finally. Who has a better sense of humor? Okay. Who spends more time on their phones? Okay. Brilliant. You can open your eyes, guys. This was fun. I think you were aligned on quite a lot of things. Interesting. I think 2 years of marriage and you guys are perfectly aligned on who's more romantic. You've discovered who's the better cook and so on and so forth. And very interestingly, I would like to tell you that both of you felt that each other, like Nakul felt Surbhi was the better person when it came to gifting, and Surbhi felt Nakul was the better person when it came to gifting. So it looks like you guys have managed the gifts pretty well between the two of you.
Oh.
So good.
Thank you.
Congratulations. I'm going to move to another short game with another couple. Karan and Joni, are you guys ready?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want you guys to answer at the same time
Oh,
and answer for you guys as a couple. The questions are not the same. So for instance, if I tell you to choose between TV or books, you have to say the answer together immediately, okay, without thinking. But you have to say what both of you would like to do together.
But we can discuss before
No, we
answering. Or we
No,
Okay.
that's the game.
Okay.
You have to spontaneously react, okay? So I'm going to keep the
like
first,
together.
yeah, together. So we'll do a test question. TV or books?
TV.
TV.
Yeah, good. So that's the way. Rasgulla or brownie?
Brownie.
Nice. Walks or long drives?
Long drives.
Nice. Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Ooh, so
Any
far,
day. Any day.
Any day, every day.
so far I see both of you are super aligned. Beach or mountains?
Beach.
Okay, so we know that's a differential point.
So is it who likes beaches and who likes mountains here?
Karan is crazy about beaches.
I love beaches.
And Joni is crazy about mountains, is it?
I want both together.
You want both. So what has been your favorite destination so far when it comes to holidaying?
I think that was Gili.
Yeah,
Gili.
we went on a honeymoon to Indonesia.
One of the Indonesian
and
islands,
Gili. Yeah, and we loved it.
was Amazing.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, last couple of questions. Chocolates or strawberries?
Chocolates.
Okay. Cats or dogs?
None.
Okay, nice. Interesting. This was well aligned. Niharika and Ajay, I'm coming to you guys very soon. So yes, Karan and Joe, you guys have been fairly aligned, I see here as well, except for, of course, holidaying when it comes to, I see that there's a mix of beaches and mountains, both that need to be in place. Yeah. And I'm sure the holidaying discussions take longer than usual, do they? Who's the better planner amongst the two of you? Aha. So you're the one who plans most of the holidays? You guys are on mute, it seems.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
तो जनरली मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेता हूँ प्लानिंग मैं ही करता हूँ जनरली और जो हेल्प करती है जोनी को बहुत इंटरेस्ट है बट थोड़ा ये होता है कि प्लानिंग में और नेगोशिएशन में कौन सी जगह रुकना है वो छोटी छोटी इंडिया में भी जो ट्रिप्स मारे हैं या बाहर गए हैं
Like I would do the research and probably he would negotiate.
हाँ
because
और
he's in marketing.
और थोड़ा
He
प्लानिंग
does
जो
negotiation.
और जो प्लानिंग वाला होता है कि और अगर प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं कि एक हफ्ता का ट्रिप है या कुछ भी छोटा सा है जैसे हम मेघालय भी गए थे तो कहाँ कहाँ जाना है क्या क्या करना है कौन से जगह घूमनी है कौन सा देखना है तो वो थोड़ा जनरली मैं करता हूँ और होटल्स कौन से रुकने हैं वो इस पे छोड़ देता हूँ
Interesting, nice. Cool. Let's move to Niharika and Ajay. I want you guys to begin with closing your eyes too. I have some questions from here and some questions that are going to be with open eyes, let's say. Yeah?
Okay, so we point.
Yeah, you need to point to the one amongst you who you think fits the description that I'm going to say.
Okay.
Who amongst the two of you is the messier one? जो थोड़ा इधर उधर सामान, unorganized. Aha, okay. Who is the lazier one? Wow, okay. Who spends more money? I see. So far, clearly aligned. Who has a better sense of humor? Who is better with parents? Either ways, parents. Could be yours, could be other person's. Okay. I see some confusion and then immediately landing onto the other person. But interesting. Good. Close. Open your eyes, guys. Interesting answers there. Quite a lot aligned. I see there is one person who's clearly the lazier one and the messy one. The other person we already heard in the beginning was the more organized one. So I see the balancing out, I think, happening between the two of you. Niharika, do you also scold him enough when he messes around your clean, otherwise organized household?
I never used to, but I think this lockdown has brought us all to, really, we kind of notice every single detail about each other now. So, yeah, abhi karna padta hai.
I'm sure. I have another quick set of questions for you guys. I want you guys to give me an answer to love, like, and hate about each other. So when Ajay is answering about Niharika, Ajay, you need to tell us what you like about her, what do you love about her, and what maybe do you hate about her? Don't like as much.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I like her adaptable nature. She's very adaptable. Okay. I love her totally.
You love her? Wow. I was expecting a quality coming there, and he's put all of that together into you, Niharika. Yeah. That's a nice mushy answer, I must say. I'm looking for some Shah Rukh fans to find this Shah Rukh kind of answer here. Yeah.
And I think the nagging part, I think especially because of the quarantine, it started. But yeah, there's a lot of nagging.
The one that you don't like.
Happening. Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah.
Niharika, your turn. What do you love, like, and hate about Ajay? Actually, like, love, and hate. Let's put it like that.
Okay, I like his sense of humor, and he's very entertaining. So it's fun to have him around. I love his patience. He's extremely patient, and it's really nice to have someone like that. And if I can say there's one thing I don't like is his gaming, which leads to the nagging. So the excessive gaming is something I don't like.
How many hours of gaming does he do in a day?
Like every time he has some free time, like काम से मतलब 10-15 minute time मिल गया तो side में से game will चालू. फिर शाम को like I'm done with work तो game चालू फिर वापस. And then there's like no other, like हमेशा screen पर देखते it's just like I feel suffocated looking at him doing that.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
Nice, interesting. So those were some fun games. I'm going to come back to some of the questions now to all of you. I want to understand from you if there was one particular moment or one particular quality that you saw in your spouse during your entire meeting phase, courtship phase and all, which made you feel that this is the right person for me. Niharika and Ajay, you want to go first?
Okay.
I think for me, बात कर रहे थे तो I something that really made him stand out from like उसके पहले I had spoken to a few other people and went through that whole process, but I think one thing that really stood out in him was that he really listens. I think that's a very important quality to have for somebody, to really listen to when you're getting to know each other, when I'm talking about things I like or the way I look at things. I really felt like he listens, gives that much of time, and really tries to understand the other person. So I think that's one quality I really liked. And I don't think there's that one specific moment it's like, okay, this guy is the one, or he didn't do or say anything specifically, but I think हम Hyderabad में मिले थे, I think first time, and then we met for a few days, and then I went back to Bombay. And I think at that point we were texting and all of that, and that's when suddenly I realized that you know, that feeling of I'm looking forward to his texts, I'm looking forward to his calls, and you know, I'm like waiting for him, waiting to talk to him, and that sort of thing. I think that was the point where I was like, okay, this is something very different. Like, this is not what I felt before. So I think that at that point I was like, yeah, he's the guy, he's the one for me.
Interesting. Ajay, आपके
For
लिए
me,
कैसा
I
था ये?
think it's not just one thing. I think there are a lot of things. One, of course, is she's very adaptable, like I said. She's being a Mumbaikar. हमारे family बहुत religious है. So you can't expect a Mumbaikar to start doing puja part in the mornings and all of that, right? So, but she's very, very adaptable when it comes. So she ensures that she you know, does whatever is required with family, and also family के साथ बहुत अच्छा connection है. Second, she's an extremely no nonsense person. She listens, she thinks through a lot, and you know, she gives a very solid reasons for everything, and that's something I really liked. And of course, the most important thing was she started to learn cooking for me.
That's sweet.
Which sort of, I being a foodie, sort of, you know, immediately switched into something exciting for me. So that's those are three things that I was really, really impressed by.
Nice. Surbhi and Nakul, आपका कैसा रहा ये experience? How did you know that, you know, this was the person for me? ऐसा कुछ quality या ऐसा कोई moment था जिसमें कि ये realization हुआ? And अगर उससे अगर आपको लगता है, if you can give some tips for, you know, all the people who are looking for their matches, then why don't we hear something on that from you?
Okay. So whenever you go on a portal like Jeevansathi, you already have some list of tangible things that you want in your life partner. तो आपको पता होता है कि ये 5-7 चीजें are what you're looking for from your life partner. Let's say in terms of family background ऐसा होना चाहिए, educated कितनी होनी चाहिए. So those kinds of things you already know. Apart from that, there are some intangible elements. कि compatibility कैसे आ रही है? Are you able to talk to that person easily? आपकी family के साथ adjust करेंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे? तो वो सब चीजें जो हैं, you have to test out for yourself. So Jeevansathi helps you in shortlisting from the tangible list of benefits that you have. Jeevansathi helps you a lot in terms of shortlisting the people that you want to meet. Then uske baad, you have to really talk to that person, try to connect with that person, and then try to see whether that person is the one for you or not.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Surbhi, do you want to add to that?
Sure. मेरे काफी सारे फ्रेंड्स भी मेरे से ये सवाल पूछते हैं because I was actually the first one to get married in my friend circle. तो मुझे लगता है अगर मना करने का कोई रीजन ना मिले ना, तो गट फीलिंग पे ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए और हाँ कर देना चाहिए.
Oh nice. So आपको ऐसा ही कुछ गट फीलिंग आया नकुल से मिलके?
आई थिंक जहाँ मना करना होता है ना, वहाँ कुछ ना कुछ रीजन मिल जाता है, लेकिन जहाँ मना करने का कोई रीजन नहीं मिलता, गट फीलिंग बता देती है.
That's nice. So for everyone who is watching this and waiting to find their life partner, आप चाहे खुद के लिए ढूंढ रहे हैं, चाहे अपने किसी loved one के लिए ढूंढ रहे हैं, there are some tips that we've got so far. Let's hear from Karan and Joneet very quickly because I also want to hear from them. उनको कैसे पता लगा कि this person was the right person for them?
So actually हम दोनों, because मैं दिल्ली में था, she was in Bangalore, तो हम फोन पे काफी बात करते थे. और पहले यही था कि हम पेरेंट्स ने बोला था कि आपस में दोनों कनेक्ट करो. तो आई थिंक सीरियसनेस, आई थिंक विद टाइम आई, लाइक यू नो इट टेक्स टाइम. और हम दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए सीरियस तब होना ज़्यादा शुरू हुए जब हम दोनों ने ये रियलाइज किया कि हम जो लाइफ की तरफ देखते हैं वो आउटलुक सेम है. हमारे गोल्स जो हैं लाइफ की तरफ, ये हम क्या चाहते हैं लाइफ से, हमें किस तरह का शौक है, हमें कहाँ जाना है, और किस तरह के हमारे एम्बिशंस हैं करियर वाइज, पर्सनली, हमारे फैमिली की तरफ हमारी क्या आउटलुक है, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट आर दे. और ये सब चीज़ें एक्चुअली फिर सीरियस होते होते ना, और थोड़े शौक वॉक भी पता चले एक दूसरे के, इंटरेस्ट क्या है. सो आई थिंक जिस और ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. इनफैक्ट मेरे को आई थिंक 2 साल लगे एक लाइफ पार्टनर ढूंढने में, शायद 2 से थोड़े से ज्यादा ही. मैं तो यही कहूंगा जो यहाँ लाइव वेबिनार में आए हैं कि किसी से भी जिससे से बात कर रहे हो उसको अच्छे से पहले मौका दो. नकुल ने भी आई थिंक यही बोला था, और उसको जानने की कोशिश करो अनटिल अनलेस कुछ बहुत ही कोई ऑफ सिग्नल नहीं लग रहा तो बाकी अपने आप धीरे धीरे आप सीरियस होने लगोगे, चीजें विल स्टार्ट फॉलिंग इन प्लेस. तो एक मूवमेंट नहीं होता, आई थिंक ये टाइम लगता है. और मैं जब बैंगलोर गया था तो बैंगलोर हमें 2 दिन मौका मिला था टू स्पेंड वेरी गुड टाइम. हमने उसमें बहुत कुछ किया था. हमने पार्टी की थी, हमने बैडमिंटन खेला था, हमने चाय पी थी, जोनीत ने थोड़ा बैंगलोर घुमाया था. तो उन सब कॉन्वर्सेशंस में, उन सब टाइम मोमेंट्स में वी गेट टू नो, गट फील आता है कि इज शी द वन और नॉट. और फिर आई मीन फिर हमारे पेरेंट्स को ठीक लगा तो हमने कर लिया.
Nice.
Yeah.
Joni, do you want to add a tip for some of our users जब वो अपनी जर्नी कर रहे हैं लाइफ पार्टनर ढूंढने की, जो आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहा उसके बेसिस पे आप कुछ टिप देना चाहेंगे?
So एक तो ऑब्वियसली लाइफ पार्टनर ढूंढना इट इज अ टैक्सिंग प्रोसेस, नो डाउट. मतलब and it is a very important thing. मतलब I think the most important in one's life. So I think like Karan said कि आप जिससे भी बात कर रहे हैं, like give them time, give time to conversations, because जितना time बात करेंगे on goals, on life, on trying to understand each other, then you get to know the other person better. So just just take your time is what I mean. It is taxing, but probably because it's the most important thing, so just take your time.
Nice, that's perfectly put. So I think we have some lovely experiences from our 3 beautiful couples here. अगर आपके पास कोई questions हैं हमारे couples के लिए, please feel free कि आप chat box में लिखकर हमसे ये पूछें. कुछ क्वेश्चंस मेरे पास ऑलरेडी आए हैं तो मैं उनमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस लेना शुरू करूंगी. फॉर इंस्टेंस एक ने पूछा है कि आप लोगों की अरेंज्ड मैरिज हुई है, बट हो सकता है आपके कुछ दोस्तों की लव मैरिज हुई हो. डू यू सी अ डिफरेंस इन द वे जो उन कपल्स का दिखता है बिहेवियर वर्सेस जो आपका एज अ कपल दिखता है? डू यू सी देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन अरेंज्ड मैरिज एंड लव मैरिज लाइक दैट? Karan and Joni, would you like to take that question?
So actually मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स की लव मैरिज हुई है. डेफिनेटली एक डिफरेंस जो मैं कहूंगा कि जैसे मेरे फ्रेंड्स की जिनकी लव मैरिज हुई है उसमें आई थिंक शादी के बाद आई थिंक क्या होता है कि वो दोनों आपस में कंफर्टेबल होते हैं और उनको पेरेंट्स के साथ कंफर्टेबल होना होता है. लाइक टाइम लगता है एक रिलेशनशिप को डेवलप होने में. Whereas in arranged marriage, actually हम दोनों ही एक दूसरे को जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो एक ये डिफरेंस तो पक्का है. बट इसका एक्चुअली बहुत बड़ा ब्यूटी क्या है कि एक्चुअली बोर्डम कम होता है एंड यू गेट टू नो अ लॉट पहले साल में. पहला साल आई थिंक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम अ मैरिज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, व्हेन स्पेशली इन एन अरेंज मैरिज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. इनफैक्ट एक्चुअली हम तो एक दूसरे को अभी तक लॉकडाउन में एक दूसरे में जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, we were discussing के like तुमने सोचा था that you'll spend so much time with your life partner at a stretch.
Yeah.
With our lives, with corporate lives, मतलब इतना टाइम तुम नहीं रहते एक साथ. Like honeymoon के बाद शायद अब लॉकडाउन है.
So
living at a stretch like 24/7.
In fact मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अरेंज मैरिज में सबसे सही चीज इसके बारे में ये होती है कि क्योंकि आप एक दूसरे को डिस्कवर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, तो आपको नए नए एक्सपीरियंसेस वो तब कर रहे हो जब एक लव मैरिज में उन्होंने शादी से शायद पहले कर लिया होगा. तो वो एक डिफरेंस जो है ना, आई थिंक इट्स ये डिफरेंस है. तो हाँ, और आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल वन.
That's nice. That's good to hear. I have another question which maybe I can ask Nakul and Surbhi. आप अपने पेरेंट्स की एक्सपेक्टेशंस कैसे मैनेज करते हैं? आई थिंक दीज एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर अराउंड यू नो जो आपके पार्टनर के लिए एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं उनकी वर्सेस आपकी. They could also be expectations, when you're all living with your parents and so on. Why don't we hear from you guys, Surbhi and Nakul?
You wanna go?
You answer. Okay. So we actually live with our parents. So we live with Nakul's parents, and my parents are also quite close by. So we keep going there also time and often. I think हो जाता है, ऐसी कोई problem नहीं आती है, but totally it depends on the partner. Specifically for a girl when she is coming to another person's home, and specifically in arranged marriage, जब आपको time चाहिए अपने partner को ही जानने के लिए, it depends a lot on the guy कि वो कैसे manage करता है. And I think Nakul has done quite a fantastic job there. So, but to all the guys watching this, I think जरूरी होता है जब एक लड़की आपके घर में आती है तो उसको टाइम दो, बिकॉज वो सब कुछ छोड़ के आपके घर में आई है. आप फिर भी अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ हो, वो सब कुछ छोड़ के आई है, तो थोड़ा टाइम दो, चीजें सेटल डाउन हो जाती हैं.
That's a beautiful thought. Nakul, would you like to add to that?
Sure. So overall, I think it takes time. 2-3-4 महीने स्टार्टिंग के लगते हैं वो पूरा because there is a newer person coming to your house, पूरे घर का system change होता है, and there is an adjustment from both the sides. The bride who comes in does the adjustment, the parents who are living there does some adjustments, but it settles down after 2 to 3 months. Yeah.
So if you were to, like you're mentioning, 2 to 3 months is what it takes for things to settle, for you guys to be maybe completely comfortable in that. जो घर का क्योंकि जो माहौल होता है वो अलग है वर्सेस कोर्टशिप पीरियड में जो आपने माहौल देखा. तो उस ड्यूरेशन में जब सेटल कर रहे हैं, लाइक सुरभि सेड, टाइम देना चाहिए, सपोर्ट देना चाहिए. वर देयर स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल्स जो कि आप दे सकते हैं फॉर पीपल टू बी केयरफुल ऑफ, या जिसका वो जनरली दिमाग में ध्यान रख सकते हैं व्हेन दे आर गोइंग थ्रू दिस न्यू फेज ऑफ living with someone they've found through arranged marriage?
Sure. You want to go? Should I? So, see, our parents have a very different lifestyle than ours, right? They expect you to wake up at 6 a.m. or 5 a.m., whatever it may be. And generally, when you are up till 1 a.m. in the night watching Netflix, you tend to not wake up so early.
I see Netflix fans here. तो आप लोग Netflix पे full time अच्छे से chill करने का plan उधर रहता है.
Yeah.
Especially COVID में, I'm assuming. ये lockdown period में.
So
lockdown में भी, lockdown से पहले भी.
Nice.
I'm out of content to watch on Netflix, so yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. Those sort of smaller adjustments. So she eats a lot of healthy foods. I, being a typical Punjabi, have like a lot of ghee in the foods and junk food and those things. So yeah, those smaller adjustments in terms of 2 time Punjabi khana banega, 1 time thoda healthy kha lenge.
Nice. So finding a middle ground, जो इस तरीके के examples में है, I think that helps. Balancing 2 अलग-अलग तरह की side, उसको balance करना. That's what the journey of marriage is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Interesting. Niharika and Ajay, I have a question for you. हमारी कुछ audience ये जानना चाह रहे हैं कि अगर थोड़ी बहुत नोक-झोंक हो जाए couples के बीच में, especially arranged marriage में, जब आप एक दूसरे को धीरे-धीरे जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और शुरू कर रहे हैं, उस समय आप लोग कैसे मैनेज करते हैं? और कुछ एंड वो नोक-झोंक हो सकता है कोर्टशिप पीरियड में भी हो रहे हो, सो पीपल आर आस्किंग वो कैसे मैनेज करना है?
I'm very bad at answering questions, but so I think whenever there is a tussle, whenever there is a misunderstanding, often it leads to some uneasiness between both of you, right? it's important to open up and speak because especially when you guys are coming together, you need to know the other person, their mentality, their behavior, and you also need to show your behavior as well, right? So it's better to open up, speak about what is troubling you, why you're behaving the way that you're behaving, and what you want the other person to say or do. It always helps. It always sets you a benchmark because you need to spend a lot of time in the future with them if at all, if everything goes well, right? So वो बहुत जरूरी है. शादी के बाद हमारा एक रूल है कि जब भी कुछ भी झगड़ा होती है, we don't sleep on it. We definitely discuss it and we just close it then and there and we start afresh the next day.
I think it's also very important कि जब भी मतलब if there's something the other person says you don't like you shouldn't immediately jump on it, you know, and क्योंकि like people have said it for a reason and all that, you shouldn't like immediately react कि कैसे ऐसे कैसे बोले this and that, and important we don't react instantly, थोड़ा सोच कर then you respond accordingly. Correct. So it doesn't cause as big a fight as it would become.
And one more thing is that there's no harm in accepting your mistake. तो sorry अगर आपको लगता है आपकी गलती है, मतलब हमेशा होती है कि most of the times it's the mistake of both the people, right? So it's okay to say sorry. It's okay to accept your mistake and just open up that conversation and do not shed. That's important.
Interesting. तो ज्यादा लंबा नहीं खींचना है झगड़े को, जल्दी से खत्म करना है और सॉरी बोलने में कोई हिचक नहीं है. That's interesting. We're also getting a question from someone who is saying कि उनकी प्रोफाइल पे बार-बार डिक्लाइन आता है. तो can one of you, maybe one of the guys specifically, because this has come from a guy, yeah, profile को, what are the tips on making the profile in a good way so that आपका जितना आप impression create करना चाहते हैं अच्छा वो create हो पाए. Karan, would you like to take this question?
Sure. So actually पहली बात के decline आना कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. ठीक है, decline को थोड़ा दिल पे नहीं लगाना है, पहली चीज. बट आई थिंक प्रोफाइल को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए 3-4 चीजें जो मैंने की थी और उसके बाद से थोड़े रिस्पॉन्सेज मेरे बढ़ गए थे कि एक तो मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन काफी अच्छे से लिखा था और डिस्क्रिप्शन मैंने खुद लिखा था. जैसे बहुत सारे मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शंस देखे हैं जो पेरेंट्स लिखते हैं और पेरेंट्स की लैंग्वेज होती है और वो बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब स्टैंडर्ड होती है. ठीक है, तो उससे क्या होता है कि आप सामने वाला ये नहीं कहता यार ये अच्छा ये बंदा है, लाइक ये लग रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है पेरेंट्स ने लिखा है. तो आपको अगर अपने प्रोफाइल को थोड़ा स्टैंड आउट कराना है तो आप खुद लिखिए जो आप सोचते हैं अपने बारे में और ऑथेंटिक लिखिए. आई थिंक वो सबसे पहले, एंड आई थिंक हमने इस बारे में बात भी की थी कि जूनी जैसे प्रोफाइल पढ़ती है, मैं भी पढ़ता था जब मुझे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग लगता था. दूसरा आई थिंक अच्छी पिक्चर्स हमेशा हेल्प करता है. अच्छी पिक्चर्स 2-3 अच्छी पिक्चर्स एक अपनी फैमिली के साथ डाल दो, एक अपनी डाल दो और कुछ छुपाना नहीं है. I think marriage is all about being open about it, transparent about it. कुछ छुपाने से अच्छा है कि आप एक नाइस मैनर में जो भी है वो सब मेंशन करो, अपनी फैमिली के बारे में भी लिखो और वो सब, और पोलाइटली बात करो जब भी किसी को इंटरेस्ट भी भेज रहे हो तो आप उनका प्रोफाइल के बारे में कुछ ऐसा बात लिख के भेजो जो आपको अच्छी लगी, जो उस प्रोफाइल में अच्छी लगी, तो उसकी वजह से भी आपकी इंटरेस्टेड बढ़ जाता है. सो आई थिंक ये 3-4 चीजें आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से जरूरी हैं. बाकी मैं ये कहूँगा मेरे को तो 2-2.5 साल लगे हैं ढूंढने में, लगे रहो और मिल जाएगा.
Nice. So I think this answers the question well from Uma Shankar. Karan, thank you so much for answering this question. I got one more question here. तो गौरव पूछ रहे हैं अगर उन्हें अपने पेरेंट्स को बताना है कि उन्हें कोई पसंद आया है पर वो थोड़ा शाय हैं और हिचक रहे हैं बताने में, हाउ कैन दे मैनेज दिस सिचुएशन? आप में से कोई जिसने ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस गो थ्रू किया हो जो कि इसको आंसर करना चाहेगा?
What is the question? Can you repeat the question?
The question is, गौरव पूछ रहे हैं कि मैं थोड़ा शाय हूँ, मेरे को अगर कोई पसंद आया है, आई फाउंड समवन हु आई थिंक इज माय लाइफ पार्टनर, गोइंग टू बी माय परफेक्ट लाइफ पार्टनर, मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को बता नहीं पा रहा हूँ बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा शाय फील कर रहा हूँ, उसको कैसे हैंडल करूँ सिचुएशन को? हाउ डू आई कन्विंस माय पेरेंट्स, हाउ डू आई अप्रोच देम?
Okay, so I'm not the right person to answer, but I'll still try and answer it. So I think जैसे मैंने कहा था कि conversation not just with your partner, it's very important to converse with your family also. कि most of the times you know arranged marriage में ये जरूरी है कि the person you know mixes well with the family, correct? So मतलब I know if it is shyness, you know, you need to think of a way to speak up about it. You need to clearly think what is that that made you like that person, and it's always helpful if you can write it down. मतलब कभी-कभी आपको दिमाग में होता है कि मैं क्या बोलूँ and all of that, तो it always helps if you write down why you like that person. एंड ऑनेस्टली आप बात कीजिए आपके पेरेंट्स से कि इस वजह से मुझे अच्छी लगी है और इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि शी इज़ अ गुड एडिशन टू द फैमिली, तो दैट विल ऑलवेज मेक योर केस. और इफ यू आर रियली शाय टू टॉक अबाउट इट, ईमेल कर दीजिए.
नहीं, इसमें मैं एक चीज ऐड करना चाहूंगा. बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि अगर मुझे कोई बात करनी है और मुझे साथ में सपोर्ट चाहिए, तो जैसे मैं अपनी सिस्टर को बता के उसको सामने कर देता हूँ. हाँ, तो ये भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं. और मैंने एक और चीज क्या रियलाइज की कि एट द एंड पेरेंट्स अपनी हमारी खुशी चाहते हैं, तो इफ दे आर हैप्पी इन आवर हैप्पीनेस, इसमें डरने वाली बात नहीं है. और कोई भाई, चाचा, कोई भी जो आपकी मदद कर सके उससे बात करो और साथ में मिलकर बात कर लो.
Interesting. Nakul, any final words from you on this question? Parents को कैसे approach करा आपने?
Okay. I'm not a very shy person.
तो frankly बता दिया मतलब.
Yeah, I'm not a
हो
very.
गई बात final.
Yeah.
Nice. That was. So your case was pretty straightforward, was it? Super easy.
Yeah. So overall, so my dad used to talk to the bride's dad. So वो जो tangible चीजें होती है कि family अच्छी है, background अच्छा है, those are already taken care of in my case. But in the case of the gentleman asking the question, I would suggest that, see, I mean, if you feel that that person is the right person for you and will adjust in your family, you go ahead and tell your parents. It's about your life at the end of the day, and you're going ahead to marry that person. You're getting into a serious mood. So I'm sure your parents will be more than supportive.
Interesting. Nice. So nice. We have some more questions, but we're also coming to the close of our time. We'll try to answer some of these on chat if possible. Thank you so much, all 6 of you. Thank you so much, Jyonit, Karan, Niharika, Ajay, Surbhi, Nakul. आप लोगों के साथ ये गपशप सेशन बहुत enriching रहा, बहुत interesting रहा. I love the games part as well with all of you. You guys did surprisingly well. I didn't know इतना सब match कर जाता है within 2 years of marriage or within 1 year of marriage.
I think Jeevan Sathi did a good job there.
Matching एकदम सही करिए. Nice. Interesting. So congratulations on finding your respective Jeevan Sathis. आप सबके लिए best of the wishes, for your marriage ahead with your respective Jeevan Sathis. I wish you all a beautiful, beautiful journey ahead. जैसे कि हमारे listeners ने सुना, हो सकता है कुछ महीने में ही मिल जाए जीवन साथी, हो सकता है साल लग जाए, हो सकता है सालों लग जाए. But what is important is you find the perfect one. You find that one who you want to spend the rest of your life with. At that time, ये कुछ महीने या कुछ साल मैटर नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि तब आपकी पूरी लाइफ के बारे में बात है. और जैसे आप में से किसी ने कहा, दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डिसीजन ऑफ योर लाइफ, तो इसके लिए तो एफर्ट डालना, टाइम डालना, चाहे कितना भी टैक्सिंग हो, ये important decision है, इसको time देना है और इसको effort देना है. So thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much for our audiences as well for being with us. We'll sign off now. Hope you have a good weekend. Please take care of yourself during these special times. We'll keep connecting with you with more Gupshup sessions. कुछ ये और चलती रहेंगी Gupshup जीवन साथी के साथ आगे भी. Till then, bye bye.